Sa kantin man eh, wala naman sila. Kailang, para makuha ka ng
Egos man si Mr. Cesar Lee Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Cesar Lee. Cesar, congratulations on your 4th year of the National Sales Awards. The floor is yours.
Thank you, RJ. Thank you, everyone. Bye, Aga. Iloilo. Morning, everyone. I would like to formally welcome everyone to our week-long 4th National Awards. Today, we honor and recognize all of our top sellers for the past year. Last year, we broke records as we sold 11 billion. Thank you to everyone. My mentor always mentioned to me, this is one of the biggest, one of the most important lessons my mentor taught me was, without sales, there is nothing. Without sales, there is nothing. Meaning, without sales, there are no buildings, there are no houses, there is no office, there are no trade incentives, no commissions, no this, no everything. What does that mean? One of the biggest reasons why we are here right now, why Wecom has grown so much, is because of the sales that everyone has produced for us. And just to give maybe a short story about it, when I started Wecom in 2008, we sold 34 million in 1 year. And there were days I was in the office, sitting down, days, weeks, and sometimes months that we would have those sales. Just last month, we went to Dubai, and then we were able to sell almost 400 million in 2 days. It's such a big jump from what where Wecom started and where Wecom is right now. And honestly, I would just want to show my gratitude to everyone here, all of our sellers who believed in us. That time, 2008, when we were doing this, there were days that I would think, are we doing something right? Is this what we were supposed to do? Is this God's plan for us? And now, being here, 16 years after, all I can say is thank you. Thank you for the trust. Thank you for allowing us, Wecom, to do what we do best, which is to build homes, to provide beyond ordinary houses to all of our clients. So we prepared a great night for everyone tonight. This is our thank you to you guys. And again, thank you so much. And we promise to be better every year. We promise to be here with you. I always think there are so many developers out there. I'm not saying we're the best ones. We're not saying we give the best incentives, but I guess honestly say from my heart, and I'm sure Carson will agree, that we're here for you. We try to have a genuine relationship with all of you guys. And that's evident through our trips, through our jokes, through our relationship, through our friendships. So everyone, thank you so much. Please enjoy the night. I'm here for pictures if you want. Thank you for coming.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you very much, Mr. Cesar Lee.
Thank you so much.
Sing your song. This
If you said ordinary,
Please sit down.
if you did not say ordinary, if you didn't answer ordinary, wala to. Okay.
Guys, if you get a sign naman, ordinary. Sit down.
Okay. Okay, sige. Now the next question will be this one. Next question. I'll give you a chance to stand up on my next section. Maraming silent prizes.
Exercise, guys.
One more time. Next question. Honesty system po ito. Next question ako. Alam mo si Vanessa, na Iloilo ako. Ay, Iloilo ko by blood.
By blood.
By blood.
Are living in Iloilo for the past 20 years.
20 years.
So, I can proudly call myself a Iloilo.
What's your favorite food here in Iloilo?
I personally love everything. Well, because Iloilo actually.
How will you be performing for us today?
Good morning. With the memorable winning experiences in real estate selling in Wico, we never stop delivering results and striving to be of far excellence in the best. Last 2020 is our momentum year of reaching 930 million. Hitting a track record of first time, mahit natin 1.4 billion for the year 2024. Today, we have promising new brokers joining our
Tapos ko na yung coffee. Okay, so where is the so for Harbor Park, we'd like to thank all our partners and sellers. We've reached a very significant milestone po sa sales natin. So I'm proud to announce for Harbor Park, at this moment we are 100% fully sold. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. We could not have done it without you, of course, our partners. So with that in mind, I'd like to say thank you once again. So as you can see, sa Harbor Park, we're about 80% complete. Our Tower 2 will be turning over finally in August of this year. So we are almost at the finish line for Harbor Park. So because of that, we'd also like to talk about our other project in Las Piñas City, which is our gateway to the south now. So if we could swap that over. So as you can see, this is Paseo Verde. It is a property in Las Piñas City that we are co-selling for a partner. So for those of you who are interested to come along with us for the journey, Joey is here, Raymond is there also. You can come and talk to us and join us now for Paseo Verde. So we'd like to say thank you and hope to see you again in Manila. And I will pass it on to the next leader.
This is Teresa Mary.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the warm welcome here in Iloilo. Just to give you a few updates on Grand Mesa Residences, the project is almost sold out. It's 96% sold for both towers. For Tower 1, we have welcomed 120 homeowners, and for Tower 2, we will be turning over our first units for Tower 2 this December 2024. And all of these wouldn't have happened without you guys. So I'd like to thank our partner brokers and sellers who have been with us since day one. Sila Tita Yoli, Tita Balu, Tita Giovanni, and sila Giselle and Estelle. Thank you for coming. And again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for supporting Grand Mesa Residences and for being in this journey with us. Congratulations to all the awardees, and let's enjoy the night. Thank you.
Mr. Bravo on the great work with Grand Mesa Residences.
nakabenta. And not only those sa mga nakabenta, pati sa mga sumusubok na bumenta. So, special mention to our top sellers last year, JGMC Realty, SYO Realty, headed by Ma'am Shirley, and of course, Tita Yoli of Fire Every Realty. So, some update of the project. So, for Hacienda and Place, we already sold out 3 buildings. So, we only have 1 building left. So, we target to finish it by end of the year. And for construction update, building 1 is almost finished, 75% construction. And we already started with building 2. Again, I'm truly grateful for everyone. Thank you and congratulations.
All right, thank you very much, Miss Roseanne.
Great effort looks like Hacienda Enclaves. And now the project director of the WeCom Center, Ms. Caitlin Coronel.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you to all our brokers, our sellers that came all the way from Manila to celebrate with us today. So for those who aren't familiar with WeCom Center is one of our milestone projects as we celebrate building the company's new home in WCC, as well as 137 residential units. So WeCom Center is in Mandaluyong City, as well as San Juan City. So we are currently 87% sold with 18 units left. We are ongoing excavation and steel protection works. By Q3 of next year, we are expected to top off. And by March 2026, we will be moving in and turning over residential units. So once again, thank you everyone, and we'll see you soon.
All right, thank you very much, Miss Kate. Now, I'm so excited to All right, all of them look so stunning this afternoon as they pose for their photo opportunity. Congratulations to each and every one of you.
And now, mga kaibigan, let's welcome our first set of awardees, the top brokers for Metro Manila. Beginning with top 3 broker for Manila, Zona Realty Marketing and Development Corporation.
to thank all of our hard-working sales partners from Manila, CDO, Davao. Special mention to our Iloilo partners. We'd like to thank you for all the support that you've given us. As for the Bicol sales team, our commitment remains the same. We will continue to help you reach your goals. We will sincerely cheer for you every time you make a transaction, every time you hit a target, every time you...
First of all, I would like to thank all our friends, partner brokers, sellers from other regions. Welcome to the wonderful city of Iloilo. Pagyayabang ko na, Iloilo. Napakaganda ng Iloilo. Actually, I encourage all the visitors to extend their stay here in Iloilo. Check the beautiful area of Iloilo, see the beautiful churches, see the beautiful beaches. Actually, pag nakita nyo yung mga heritage houses dito sa Iloilo, napakaganda nyo. Also, I would like also to tell you guys try to extend again and see the Esplanade of Iloilo. Yung Esplanade ng Iloilo, sobrang ganda. Actually, nakausap ko last month yung mayor ng Manila, and we are going here to Iloilo to check the Esplanade. Ngayon, bakit ko sinasabi ito sa inyo? Because I want you guys to help us promote Iloilo. Kasi napakaganda ng Iloilo. Pakisabi sa other regions. Kasi at the end of the day, tayo rin mag-benefit ng output nito. Maganda na ang kalidad ng bahay, competitive ang presyo, and maganda ang okay? For update, for TSF, we are already 93% sold. As of April, complete foundation works of Building 1, ongoing ground floor and preparation of columns for the second floor. And the remainder of the year, we are on track to achieve the following. Top off by Building 1 by December 2024. For Building 2 and 3, expect the second floor and third floor will be finished. Again, thank you for coming and congratulations to all the artists.
First, congratulations to all of you. Thank you for being here. And I'd like to appreciate the partnership with us for over 15 years. We're not just building, selling projects, but we were able also to succeed in touching the lives of each member of partnership natin. So thank you very much for sharing the same tradition ng pagpapalo natin about this app. Okay, so to give some project updates about Emerald Estates. Our very own house and lot project in Atoll. We are in terms of house construction, we are at 20%. So that's about productive 18 houses in phase 1 out of the 600. So the remaining 20% are projected to be completed in batches at the end of the year. And for phase 2, the house construction is going as well. And we are currently working on 2 blocks already. That's around 40 houses as we see in house construction. And as for the land development, on the other hand, simultaneously is moving for the road and for the drainage work. We have a contractor, a very reliable contractor that is currently in full swing. So from 2024 and for the years coming, the Emerald Estates team will still ask for your support and trust and motivation because we will make this happen. No? To summarize, our target for Emerald Estates is to deliver 335 houses this year. No? So we can ask for your support again And the inspiration, kay Yon, kay inspiration namin to work harder. And like, sincerely thank you for that. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Bravo, Mr. Emerald Estates, please welcome now on stage, Filipino Homes.
because of course, I'm from the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro.
So, ngano halin ako ang ingon? It's because halin or our sales brought us here tonight. And with that halin is our hard work, our perseverance, and of course, your trust in Bicol. Tama? Oh, diba? That is agree because that's what motivated everyone to stand with Bicol. And I would like to thank everyone who are here with us tonight, especially our Cagayan de Oro sellers. So this year, ang dami natin nadala from Cagayan de Oro. So congratulations and thank you for flying from Cagayan de Oro all the way to Iloilo. So daghang salamat. And of course, I'd like to congratulate each and everyone who are here with us tonight, not just in CDO, but everyone in the Philippines, especially our sellers in Iloilo, Davao, and of course, Manila. And I'd like to recruit every one of you here tonight to sell with us in CDO because later on our project directors will be promoting also our projects and dito na ta, musabay na because Cagayan de Oro is a very big city with a very big and vast dreams that of course we continues to deliver beyond ordinary projects. So watch out for our upcoming projects in CDO. And with that, in just 4 months, I'm so much confident to say that we actually hit half of our production from last year. And daghang salamat sa among sellers because for the past 4 months, we hit a total of 1.2 billion in sales. So grabe katakot na nakakahalin for us from CDO. Tama? Of course! We're always right. Because we sell the right project in CDO. Okay, so in behalf of our sales team of Cagayan de Oro, and of course in behalf of our area head, architect, Garden Showa, we would like to thank our CDO sellers from the very first day, nagasalig yun mo and nagadaligya sa amuhan. And with that, we call you everyone, our family in CDO. And thank you so much, daghang salamat sa salig o sa inyong mga pagsuporta sa amuhan since day 1 up until now and up until the upcoming years. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So maghalis na ka sa CDO! Good morning! Anyway, so good morning everyone. So I'm Sheila and I'm the project director of Entalia Estates and Entalia Flats Romania. So before I proceed to the project update of our project in Cagayan de Oro, allow me to thank everyone who celebrated us this national awarding of Bicol, especially to our CDO sellers who flew all the way from Cagayan de Oro and here in Iloilo to just really witness this milestone event. Also, daghang kaayong salamat. As what Trixie mentioned, you were there with us since day 1. You were there with us when we were still conceptualizing the now so-called Entalia Manila. And by Q1 of 2025, we are set to top it up. So just imagine, that's a year from now. So as you can see here, these are the amenities of our Italia Flats Premia, situated in Building C. Now let's proceed to Italia Estates. So for Italia Estates, we have officially sold out Phase 1. Phase 2 is also at 85% sold, and just last month we opened Phase 3. So the Italia Estates is actually a total of 55-hectare development. That's the biggest horizontal development of Bicol so far. So as you can see, construction in Italia Estates Phase 1 is also in full swing. So as of today, we have already erected 200 units. And that's a mix of Magnum, Roca, Vita, Oro, and Fresco. We are to deliver 300 units this year, and 200 of which is already erected. So, as you can see here, this is our current site, and again, we promise to deliver the beyond ordinary homes for Cagayanos. Again, daghan kaayo sila.
Kaibigan, our top brokers for Cagayanos Italia Estates. Our top broker for Italia Estates, please welcome Sean Kristen Realty.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you sa Iloilo for hosting our fourth national awards this year. So, share to everybody. A wise man once told me before joining Nico. All real tours have bad relationship. Totoo ba to? Okay. Sige, so sabi ng wise man sa akin, real tours have bad relationship kasi it's hard to get closures. Pero hindi totoo yun. Nandito yung mga top sellers natin, which is ang bilis mag-close ng sale. Okay. Congratulations everybody for being invited in this event today. So, for now, I want to share na we closed about 3 billion of sales last year. So, sino makakabili lang kung nasa kanya tayo ngayon? Siguro for the most sellers, Boss Gilbert. May pa lang tayo ngayon and we've reached 1.5 billion for Davao. So, thank you sa lahat. Manila, contribution, Iloilo, Davao at CDO. So, hindi namin ito magagawa if it's not we do together. So, dati, I fondly remember kami ni Carson ang nag-uusap Christmas party o party. Mangarap lang namin umabot ng 1 billion of sales. Pero tuloy-tuloy natin yung nagawa for Davao until last year that we dreamt to reach 3 billion. So for this year for Davao, we're hoping to reach 4 billion. So tulong-tulong po tayo lahat para ma-reach to. So wala pa pong mid-year, we've already reached half of what we targeted last year for Davao. Okay, thank you. Updates lang for Diamond Heights. For Diamond Heights, 99.99% sold out tayo guys. Para sa safeguard. Okay, so hindi po tayo dito to sell out Diamond Heights. Last year pa lang po 99.99% sold out tayo. So what's in for Diamond Heights? We've turned over about 680 houses already. Tuloy-tuloy lang po natin siya tinatapos. We target to finish all of the houses until next year, 2025. So, good news for everybody. Diamond Heights is a 24-hectare development. This will have an expansion also. So, it's in talks. Hopefully next year we'll be launching an expansion of 22 hectares at Diamond Heights. So this will give another chance for yung mga hardworking Filipinos that would want to be an ordinary house in Davao. Okay. Sige, so thank you everyone. Enjoy the night.
Destin Davao, offer congratulations to everybody here today. We launched Destin Davao about a year and a half ago. We've been on a tremendous run. And as some of you might know, I also represent our JV partner for this project, Monarch Caterpillar. And you know, from the perspective of the JV partner, there's nothing that brings us more anxiety than sales. And if you told us that we gotta sell 1,700 units for the project, that at any given month we might sell 50, 80, 100 units at a time, for someone who's not so familiar in the industry, it's really hard to believe. To know many of you here, seeing the working relationship, the partnership between Ecom and you sellers, I've really come to learn that anything's really possible. And I've come away so impressed with the work ethic, the dedication, and the sales production that we've been able to achieve. And so today we are so proud to be able to say that we've sold out for Tower 1. We are 80% sold for Tower 2. And just last month, we officially launched the inventory for Tower 3 as well. And so, to everyone here, the brokers and sellers, the awards for tonight, thank you and congratulations.
Maayong aga, Iloilo. Maayong buntag. Good morning, everyone. To all our real estate partners, actually, hindi lang partners na sabihin namin sa inyo, even friends na rin namin kayo, nagbibiruan na tayo lagi. To be honest, ang tawag sa akin, Kuya. May isang proper tawag sa akin, Kuya. Iba tawag sa akin, Papi na. So yung closeness, to build a relationship, importante sa ating lahat. Yun. So, yun, nabanggit na rin ni Mark, no? So, Tower 1, 2, already open lahat. And now, we're moving to the last tower. And we're targeting until August na ma-sold out sa. Yun. So, thank you everyone and congratulations in advance. Thank you.
Sabi niya, anong oras ba ilipat mo bukas? Imagine in just 2 years, he was able to match, if not surpass, what Davao and Iloilo has been doing for the last 5 to 6 years. So that's a testament to how much we love you guys, and that's a testament to how much we work given to them. I told them that you have to understand everything about business. But that aspect comes at a price, meaning it's less time with your family. It means that you have to devote 24/7 of your effort in making sure that the area
to our top 3 sales agent, or CEO, from True Hero Realty, Antonio Supernal.
Please welcome Tessa Gilcola. For the law, Martin Monasilio from Filipino Homes, and finally our top 1 unit manager for the law, also from Filipino Homes, Jerry Mini Gonzalez.
Gracias, Aline Pansino from Philippine Home CEO. And congratulate Top 6 Sales Agent Nationwide, Ryan Noriega from Philippine Home CEO.
Jason Iloilo. Moving on to our top 3 sales agent nationwide. Also from Iloilo, from Pleasure Homes Realty Brokers, Annalena Paraguito.
Again, for the Diamond Group, Iloilo, Billy Joe Iguana.
Congratulations to Billy Joe Iguana from Diamond Group, Iloilo. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, nationwide, also from Diamond Group, Iloilo, Prince Iwaka, Mary Joy Pico Yorico. Mary Joy Pico Yorico from Diamond Group, Iloilo, and to all of our top sales nationwide, Cindy Luo, Sky Mackenzie Gomez, Maria Gracia, Aline Pansino, Richard Kilo, Ryan Noriega, Jared Nuado, Jay Senate. Congratulations, Filipino Homes, Davao, and Pagayang de Oro, Content Unit Manager. Moving on to our top 9 unit manager, congratulations. At the top 7 unit manager nationwide, para sa Golden West Realty, Cagayang de Oro, Samuel Sanremo. Congratulations, Gilbert and Marjorie Monasterio, Filipino Homes Davao, top 6 unit manager nationwide.
Congratulations, Jeremy May Gonzalez, Filipino Homes, Davao. William Del Rosario III from Filipino Homes, Iloilo.
Congratulations to all of our top unit managers. Leslie Gonzalez. And the first one to receive the cash incentive Vanessa, the moment we have all been waiting for. Sino ba yung ating top 1 broker? Nationwide at natatanggap nila?
Of course, the top 1 broker nationwide will receive a cash incentive going home with 350,000 pesos, bringing a net of active sales.
At yung ating
Winner, the top 1 brokers nationwide is Filipino!
Once again, congratulations, Filipino Homes, our top 1 broker nationwide. Together with our top 10 brokers from all over the country, Japan's Realty Cagayan de Oro,
Sean Kirsten Realty Cagayan de Oro,
2020 Realty Davao,
Property Managers PH Davao,
Rectorito Realty Davao,
MSL Rosario Realty Davao,
Holderness Realty Cagayan de Oro,
Plethora Homes Realty and Brokerage,
Diamond Group Iloilo.
and of course, Filipino Homes.
Congratulations, Stevie Davao on stage, our top 10 brokers nationwide. Congratulations, our top 10 brokers nationwide, starting legal for National Awards. Congratulations, Maricel Malasate.
Dili ra sila magtuma.
Congratulations, Marjorie Buensillo. And the next one to receive a Toyota Veloz from MSL Rosario Realty, Jason Gacon.
Want to see you. And our next broker to receive at the Toyota Veloz is from
Ayan! And you're taking a trip to Thailand.
Quarter 7-3.